Hi, this is Saifur Rahman Azim from Creator Fact. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish or create a short video on YouTube by using your mobile phone. So, coming up. Hi guys, welcome back. Short videos are very important to reach your channel to grow on YouTube. If you want to grow on YouTube in short time, you need to upload more and more short videos to your channel. So, short video has a respective YouTube video ratio, and that is 9:16. If you want to upload a short video to your channel, you have to shoot your mobile phone on portrait mode. So, if you want to upload a short video, your video duration should be under 1 minute, and that is 1 to 60 seconds. So, let's get started how we can upload or create a short video by using our mobile phones. At first, we have to go on YouTube and we will find a plus icon on there, and then you will show create a short icon. You have to select the create a short icon, and then you will see the view from your camera. If you want to add any music to your short videos, then you have to select the add music. You will find here more kinds of music on this music list, but you have to consider the copyright law of YouTube by selecting music on this system. So after that, you can flip or convert your camera to back to front camera. If you want to shoot a short video by using your front camera, that will be this kind of like, and if you want to shoot a short video by using your back camera, this can be flip on the back camera. If you want to make your video to a speed, then you will shoot by 51 and 2 and 3x, which will very speedily even. And if you want to slow motion videos, then you can select 0.5x. If you want to count down your video from here timer, you can select 10 seconds and 3 seconds or 20 seconds countdown before you starting the shoot or your performance. So if we shoot for video in 15 seconds, then we have seen here the 15 seconds is countdown, and if you want to shoot the 60 second, you have to touch here for 60 seconds. So now we are going to shoot or going to record a 15-second short video, just like this. Hi, this is Saifur Rahman Azim from Creator Fact. I hope you are doing well. So our video has been recorded. Now if we want to complete our work about our short recording, so we have to select here to tick mark. Then we can edit here our short videos. To compromise our editing. Here also you can find the music which you can add like your background music, but you have to consider YouTube copyright law, because if you use copyright music to your videos background, you can get copyright strike or copyright claim on your channel. So I am skipping that. If you want to add any text to your short videos, then you can use a text icon. I here just write subscribe. Yes, just subscribe, and I place it on here. Then if you want to color to your videos color filters which you want to use, so then you can change here your videos color, which will really nice to see. So we choose this kind of filters, and then we have to go to next button. Now you can put your video title from here. Then you have to select your audience. If you make your videos for kids, then you have to select yes, it made for kids. If you make for videos is not made for kids, then you have to select the no, it's not made for kids. Then we have to go to the back, and I recommend you have to select the public ratio is unlisted, not public, because we have more works over it. And if you want to public from here, you can use the public from directly publish your videos. If you want to unlist, then you can upload here and your videos are uploading. Let's see. Yes, our video is uploading and we can go to our YT Studio app. If you don't have YT Studio app on your phone, you can search your App Store or Play Store. You will get the YouTube Studio app, which will really help you to consider to editing your YouTube videos, and you can see the YouTube analytics also from here. We will go to our videos contents, and you are watching, this is our videos, sample shorts. You can select here and you can edit here your every kinds of editing. You can add from here your description and your others metrics from here. You can add playlist, you can add your tags from here, etc, etc. And you can also customize your advanced settings from here, your video category, your license category, etc, etc. So after that you have to save here, and if you want to publish your video from here, you can go to pen icon and you have to select the public ratio, you have to select the visibility ratio, then you can select public, and just we have to go to back, and just if we just set the save in this video will publicly visible on our channel. So guys, this was our today's video. If you get help from this video, please like this video, consider your comment on our comment box, leave a nice comment. I'm not an expert on English, but I want to share the things worldwide, and you are guys my support. So goodbye.